Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change display language in Excel. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, click on the File tab at the top left corner of Excel. Then select Options at the bottom of the panel that appears. On the left side, choose Language. Next, on the right side, click Add Additional Language. Pick your preferred language from the list provided and hit Set as Default. After that, select Yes and hit OK. Now it'll prompt you to restart any open Office applications. Let's go ahead and do that. Click OK. Close Excel, allowing you to apply the update. And there you have it. The language has successfully changed. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.